Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
I'm fine, thank you. Ma'am, how are you? Fine, thank you, ma'am.
So doing good, dear. Thanks for asking. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Okay. Lots of good mornings today.
Morning. How are you?
I'm fine, dear. I'm fine. Okay. Now, enough of the good mornings and the greetings. Please settle. Have you taken your books? Are you ready for the class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, what did we learn in the last class?
Desktop.
Desktop, yes. Wallpaper, taskbar, and icons. And what are these? What are these?
Good morning, ma'am. The three main part of the desktop.
Yes, these are the three main parts of the desktop. In the previous class, we learned the definition for each main part of the desktop, isn't it? Yes, Agnes, am I right? Agnes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Wallpaper, the background picture on the desktop is called the wallpaper.
Okay.
Long horizontal line.
Is it the line or the bar?
Horizontal bar.
Bar, it's the bar. Very good. It's a bar, not the line. Okay, long horizontal bar at the bottom of the
The screen is called
taskbar. Then we have icons.
The desktop are called icons.
Very good. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. I hope that's clear.
Yes.
Now I'll share the screen. Agnes, what are you doing there, my dear? Please listen to the class. Yes, I'll share the screen. No need to write. I'll show you certain parts of the desktop. You have to identify which one it is. Shall we do that?
Yes, okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you write?
No need to write now. I'm sharing the screen. I'm going to share the screen now. And I'll show you the desktop. See, what do you call the screen? What do you call the screen? The main screen that appears when you turn on your computer. What do you call it? Ah, no. No.
Desktop.
Desktop, that's right. We call it desktop. Yes, we call it desktop. Desktop. It's not desk, it's desktop. Desktop. Okay. Now I'm going to mark. Please mute your audios and listen. Please mute your audios and listen here. Everybody listen here. Yes. The first question is going to be answered by, let me see, Adam Joe. Okay, Adam Joe, you're going to answer this question. I'm going to make a marking on the screen. You have to tell me which main part of the desktop it is. Shall we do that, Adam?
Yes.
Yes, okay. What do you call these small pictures on the desktop? What do you call it? I'll give you options, 3 options. Wallpaper, icons, or taskbar. What is it?
Taskbar.
Adam Joe is going to answer. Adam, what is it?
Taskbar.
Is it the taskbar? Is it the long horizontal line at the bottom of the screen?
Icons.
They are the icons. How will you identify the icons? They are the small pictures on the desktop. What is it? They are the small pictures. Yes, small pictures on the desktop. They are called icons. Okay. Now, Ivania Brighto.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next question is for you. What do you call? Wait a minute. Yes. What do you call this bar?
Taskbar.
Taskbar. Ivania says it's taskbar. Muhammad Rishan, what do you think it is?
Taskbar.
It's the taskbar itself?
Yes.
Yes, it is the taskbar, isn't it? Yes, the long horizontal bar present at the bottom or top. Where is the taskbar present?
Bottom.
Bottom. It's present at the bottom of a screen. Okay, that's correct. It's called the taskbar. All right. Now, next question is to Jewel Maria.
Yes.
Jewel Maria. Yes. Tell me, what do you call this blue colored part, the background?
Wallpaper.
Yes, Jewel?
Wallpaper.
Wallpaper. It's not wall, it's wallpaper. Last class also.
Wallpaper.
Wallpaper. We call it?
Wallpaper.
Yes, Dhruva, you're right. It's called wallpaper. Wallpaper.
Wallpaper.
Wallpaper.
Wallpaper.
Wallpaper.
Wallpaper.
Yes, very good. Wallpaper.
Wallpaper.
Yes. Now, Megdarsh, can you tell me the three main parts of the desktop?
Wallpaper, taskbar,
Well, Maria, please mute your audio. I asked Megdarsh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Megdarsh. Please tell me all the three parts of the desktop.
Taskbar.
Who's speaking in between? I just want to hear Megdarsh's sound now. Yes, Megdarsh. Tell me one by one. Anyone. Tell me anyone then. Any one main part of the desktop.
Wallpaper.
Okay. Joanne Judy. Joanne Judy.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other part other than wallpaper?
Taskbar.
Taskbar. Okay. Now next is Abhinav. Can you tell me a part? Taskbar, wallpaper, and what are the small pictures on the desktop called? Icons. Okay, they are called icons. What are they called, Abhinav? Unmute and say, what are they called? Icons. Icons. The small pictures on the desktop are called. Junaita, what are they called?
Icons.
Icons. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, listen here. I'm going to show you the screen once more. How will you open an icon?
First, click the help of the mouse. Double click.
Yes, we have to make. Yes, you're right. You're right. We have to make a double click by using the mouse pointer. That's what we use the mouse for. We have to place the mouse pointer on the icon. Then we have to make a what click? What click? Single or double? Double click. Show me with your fingers. Single or double? Single? Single or double? Double click, isn't it? We have to make a double click. We have to place the mouse pointer over the icon, then make a double click. Clear? We have to make a double click. Let's see. Yes, Irene, that's right. Let's just make a double click and see if an icon opens up or not. So if you want to perform any activity in the computer, if you want to open any program in the computer, you have to go and click on its icon. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
I opened the drawing.
Yes, paint. That's paint. Now, I'm going to show the screen once more. I hope you can see this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. There is a folder named 3C here. So let's open that and see. Okay. Can you see this? Can you see a folder named 3C?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I'm going to open that. So how did I tell you to open?
Double click.
Double click. We have to make a double click. See, I'm going to make a double click. Let's see if this opens up or not. Has it opened?
Yes.
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 Can you see a white box here?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. This white box has a name. Have you heard of that? This white box has a name. Do you know its name?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Shall I tell you the name?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. It's called the window. What is it called? Window. It's called the window. 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 Say window. Window. Yes, it's called the window. Now, when you click on the icon, when it opens a program, it appears in the form of a box or a frame. That's called a window. Okay, understood? Yes.
Yes.
Now, see, I think Rehan told that he opened the paint, isn't it? Yes, Rehan?
Yes.
Yes. Now, when you clicked on the icon, again a box popped up, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, that is again a window. Window of that particular program or that particular software or the document. Understood? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Then here we have a folder. We have already opened and seen, isn't it? There is a file inside this. What is the name? Ayush, please mute your audio. What is the name here of this MS Word document?
File.
No, what is given here? APPLE.
Apple.
Yes. So that is again an icon, isn't it? It's a small picture. It's present inside the folder. But so if you want to open, yes, if you want to open that, what will you do?
We have to click that.
How many clicks should we make?
2 clicks.
2 clicks. Double click again. Yes. Double click. We have to make a double click. So I'm going to make a double click. Let's see if it opens up or not. Okay.
Open it.
Yes, it's opening. It's opening. You have to wait for it to open. See, again, a box has popped up, isn't it? Yes. What is that box called? What did I tell you? When you click on the icon. Yes, that's window. It's called a window. Yes, whenever you open a program, whenever you click on the icon, Rehan, listen here. When I'm explaining, please don't talk in between. Okay, I'll give you time to speak after I explain. All right, Rehan? Yes. Okay. So again, when we clicked on that icon, it was named Apple, isn't it? When I made a double click, again a box popped up. What is this box called? What is this called? Window. This is also called a window. This box of frame, that is called a window. Is that clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, Rehan, what was your doubt, dear?
Where we can draw the pictures.
We can draw the pictures in the Paint software.
Yes.
Yes. Now, another question. When I have finished doing all my activities in the computer, how do I close it? How do I end all these programs?
Press the close button.
Okay, I can hear you telling that I have to click on the close button.
Yes,
Some of you told that it's present on top. Where I cannot see, where is it?
ma'am, it is Top. Side
On top. Which side? Left side or right side?
Left side. Left side.
Huh?
Right side. Right side. Right side.
Yes, it's present on the right side, isn't it? And what is it looking like?
No. Cross.
It's looking like a cross, isn't it? It's looking like a cross. Did you mean this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Is that the
Yes, ma'am. Yes. And that is a cross. Yes. And that is the
one? That is
button.
the
Exit button.
exit button, or it's called the close button. What is it called?
Close button.
Not class, it's close.
Close
Button. Say close button.
button.
Close button. That's called the close button. So shall I click on the close button?
Yes.
Do you think the program will close on its own?
Yes, ma'am.
You are sure?
Yes.
Yes. Will anything happen to my file?
No, ma'am. No.
Sure?
No.
I'll
Yes.
take any risk. Shall I click?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If anything happens, I'll tell 50 students told me to click on that. Is it okay?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
ma'am.
So I'm going to click on the close button. Let's see what happens. Okay, everybody look at the screen. I'm going to click on the close button. It looks like a, what shape is it?
Cross.
Yes, cross or into. It's looking like a cross or an into. I'm going to click on that now. See? Ta-da, it's gone.
Oh.
Okay. Yes. Now, how do I close this folder? Is it the same?
Cross button. Cross button.
Again, where is the close button? I cannot find it. Where is the close
Right
button?
side. Right side. Up on right side.
Up side, right side. Okay. Is it on the right side of the window?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Is it on top right corner of the window?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Did you mean this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, fine. So I'm trusting you again. I'm going to click on that once more. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So that is it. Gone. Finished.
Also gone.
We have
Yes.
some programs.
What problem? What problem, dear? I did not hear you.
You stop the screen.
Yes, I stop sharing now. I heard you ask a doubt. That's why. Any doubt, Rehan? No. Okay. Shall we try this once more?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So when you want to open a program, listen to my question first and then answer. When you want to open a program, where will you click on? You'll go and click on the
Exit button.
no, to open it, not to close.
Open it.
Yes, you go and click on its icon.
Open icon.
Will you make on it? Single or double? Double click. Yes.
Double.
We have to make a double click. If you want to open a program, if you want to open a document, if you want to open a file, you'll go and click on the icon. How many times?
Double.
How many times? Irene, how many times will you click? Irene, I'm asking Irene. Others, please mute.
Double click.
Double click. Very good, dear. Yes. So we are going to do that once more. Listen.
Ma'am, I go to toilet.
Yes. Go fast and come. Okay. Tirtha, look here. Look at the screen. We are going to do that once more. Okay. We are going to open that icon.
Ma'am, can I go to the toilet?
Go fast and come, dear. All right. So again, we have this folder here.
Ma'am, Ayush can.
Yes. Go and come fast. That's what I told. Okay. Now we have a folder here. We are going to open that and see. Okay. Anaya, you're going to help me open it. Anaya, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What should I do first to open this folder? I have to make a what click?
Double click.
Double click. Very good. We have to make a double click. So one box has popped up, isn't it?
Yes.
What do you call this box, children?
Window.
What do you call this box?
Window.
Window. Or is it a door? Is it a door or a window? Window. It's window. Very good. This is called a
Apple in written there.
yes, apple is written there. That's the name of the file present inside the folder. Okay. Now, how will I close this folder? I've already opened it by clicking on its icon. How will I close this folder?
Exit button.
Button.
Exit button.
Yes. What is the other name for the exit button, Ayush? What did I teach you now?
Close button.
Close
Close
button.
button. It is called the close
button.
Wonderful. Close button. So I'm going to click on the close button now. Let's see what happens. What will happen if I click on it?
That will go.
That will go, which means the file or the window will be closed, isn't it?
We cannot see that.
Not see that again. Yes. If we want to see that again, what should we do?
We want to click
And
we want to click
plus the icon.
Yes, exactly. We have to click on the icon once more. Then only we can see it again. Okay, I'm going to close it.
now.
Yes, double click. That's very precise. I'm going to close this now. Yes. Done?
Yes. That was that go.
Yes, that went. That went.
That
Yes,
went.
that went away. The folder closed, isn't it? Now I'm going to open the folder as well as the file inside it once more. Then you have to help me close it. Okay?
ma'am.
Yes, fine. So again, I'm going to open it. Who will tell me? Arati, tell me, how many clicks should I make here?
Double click.
Arati, not Anaya, Arati.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how many clicks should I make to open?
Double click.
Double click, exactly, double click. I'm making a double click. Now, I have found a file inside this folder named Apple. How will I open this folder, Sarah? How will I open this folder? The folder, the file. How will I open it?
To press the click on the apple.
Yes, I have to click on Apple. Yes, Sarah, how many clicks should I make, dear?
Double click.
Two click.
What's the name of that click? 2 clicks means?
Double click.
Double click. Yes, double click. I'm opening the file also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
See, here we have 2 things open. So how many windows in total? How many? Two. Yes, I'll show you. This is hiding the other one. See, I'm dragging this. Can you see both of them?
Yeah.
One is the folder, the other is the file.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I want to close both of them. So whichever is in front of you, you can click on the which button? Which button?
Close
button.
Close.
Close button. Here also we are clicking on the close button. There it goes. Done. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Now listen here. We'll do a quick summary and wind up. Okay. So how many main parts of the desktop did we study about? How many main parts? I will ask the question. Wait. Yes, any doubt, Dhruva?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excused. Yes, dear.
Ma'am, what is the difference between the folder and file?
Folder and file. Yes, that you'll be learning in higher classes. That's why I didn't explain. Since you asked, I'll tell you. Folder means, let's imagine a big basket and a small basket. Consider like that. The big basket is the folder. And the small basket is the file. Okay. Just imagine like that. Now, can you place the big basket inside the small one? No, you won't be able to do that. But can you place a small basket inside the big one?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
they can, right? Yes, that's exactly what files and folders do. Folders can contain small files inside them, many files inside them, but files cannot contain these folders. Understood? So folders are used to contain these files, all the files in the computer. Okay, now when you have different assignments, if you want to take prints, suppose you have assignments for EVS, you have mathematics, you have computer, so you want to keep all the documents together at a place, isn't it?
Yes.
So you can make a folder named computer and add all the assignments inside, all the files inside that folder. You can keep it safe there. Okay, it helps to organize, just a minute dear. It helps to organize the things in the computer. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you learned that in 3rd standard. Okay, don't worry about that. You have an entire chapter on it.
Ma'am.
Have I made myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Do
hi.
you write this in the rough book?
Which one, dear?
Ma'am, we can.
Which one? Which one in the rough book, Dhruva?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Are you asking about the notes?
Ma'am.
No. I'll give it. I'll share it through WhatsApp. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes. Any other doubt?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Where we use single click.
Where do we use single click? Single clicks are used in different contexts here. For example, when we type, if we want to place the cursor at some places, what is the cursor? That blinking line, isn't it? We learned that in the previous chapters. If we want to place that somewhere, what will you do? You'll have to go and use a single click, isn't it? Yes, there are different, so many other purpose for single clicks. Again, if I want to mute on the, wait, just a minute. If I want to mute you, or if I want to just select something, there are certain links online, isn't it? If I just want to click on that, then we just use single click. We don't use double clicks. Okay, to open icons, to open programs especially, we use the double clicks. Understood? Okay.
We
Good.
can use
just a minute. Too many doubts at a time. Yes, Rihan, what is it?
Ma'am, we can have a single click and right click. We use where
Right clicks. Right clicks are used to create new folders and files, especially. Okay, I'll show you a right click on the board. Just look at the screen. Again, this is also for higher classes. I'll just show you since you asked. Rihan, look at the screen, please. I'm making a right click now. Can you see a box here? Yes. From this, you can select different options. If you want to create a new folder, so you touch on new and then folder. See, Irene, I'm just making a single click here to select items. Okay. See, folder. A new folder is made. Did you see that? Again, if I want to delete it, I make a right click. I click on delete option. And it's gone. Again, here also I'm making single clicks. Okay.
Okay,
yes,
ma'am.
what was Hyan's doubt? Hyan?
Ma'am, we will use third click.
Third click is not there here. Only single and double clicks are there. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now it's almost time to wind up. We'll do a quick summary and stop. So we learned. Yes, Joanne.
I know what to my laptop shut down.
You know to shut down. Very good.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now listen.
Also no. In the laptop.
Okay, fine. Very good, children. Now please listen to me. I've listened to all your doubts. Please listen to me now. We have discussed 3 main parts of the desktop that we learned in the previous class. Which were they? Wallpaper, taskbar. Today we learned about the box that pops up when we open an icon. What is it called? It's called the window. Very good. It's called a window. Now, how will you close the window? What is that button? Close button. It's called the close button. So when you go and click on the close button, the program will close on its own. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we'll quickly do the attendance and then I'll leave you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Class 2B.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. And the notes I'll send in the WhatsApp class group. Don't worry about that. Okay. Agnay TS.
Present.
Abhinav MP.
Present.
Present. Adam Joe.
Present.
Present. Adel Maria.
Pencil box.
Present. Adinath P. Sunil. Adinath.
Ayush is present.
Adinath. When your name is called,
Name
you can
present.
unmute. Adinath is present. Okay. Then Agnes Jojo. Present. Adelan. Present. Anaya Rose. Present. Yes. Arati is also present. Austin present. Aisha Nashwa.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Ayush is present. Daniel Jinto. Daniel Jinto. Is Daniel absent? Please check, children. Yes. Okay. Dhruva Prashant, present. Ivania Brighto is present. Nicolette is present. Hyan is also present. Yes. Henry, present. Jewel Maria is also present. Joanne Judy, present. Junaita, present. Karthik VP. Karthik.
I'm Karthik present, ma'am. Karthik is present, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Krishna Priya, present.
Present, ma'am.
Then Malavika, present.
Present, ma'am.
Manav, absent.
Ma'am, Henry is present.
Henry, I have marked your attendance. Megdarsh, present. Erin Justin.
Present.
Justin is present. Rehan, my dear, your audio is unmuted. Okay. Muhammad Rishan,
Present.
Maithili,
Yes, present.
Nakshatra,
Anjali is
Nakshatra,
present. She is absent.
Prarthana Libin, present. Rehan Hanifa,
Present. Present, ma'am.
Ritvik N.A., present. Reza Nasmia,
Present.
Sandria Franton.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Sarah,
Present.
Krutakirti,
Present, ma'am.
Siddharth.
Present.
Siddharth is present. Sridhar. What about Sridhar?
Absent.
Is absent. Tirtha, present. Irene is also present today, isn't it? Okay, fine. So please revise this and come. I'll send the notes to the group. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Yes. We'll meet next week. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.